Hi, BJ. Here's my lights on the trailer. Lucas is wagon. The RC car. And I got a remote control. Uh-oh, she's stuck. Let's give it a little push. Uh-oh. It's kind of hard for it. There it is. All right. There's the remote control Hot Wheels. Hope you guys are having a good time down there. See ya.